Alright, today I'm gonna show you how to make coffee. Let's do it. So first you get your coffee. You gotta get it out. I'm pulling it out. This is a voiceover. There it is. It's not Folger's coffee, I swear. Let me just open it. It's a medium blend. But it's not Folger's, that's for sure. Even though that's what it says on the thing. So move that to the side. You want to pull your stupid ass coffee maker out the same way I'm doing it. And open the filter container thingy, then dump out your old coffee ground. Just dump that shit. I'm just cleaning it. All right, now you put the thing back. You put the thing back. You get your filters out because you need a new one, idiot. Why am I going so slow? Pull one out. Just only one. You only need one. Move that to the side, I guess. Then you dump out the coffee. You dump it out. You dump it out. You keep dumping it out until you get the right amount. Why am I going so slow? Alright, now you grab your thing, you filter your thing, your everything, and you put it inside the little container where it belongs on your coffee maker. That looks sexy. Ain't that cute? Yeah. So now you gotta get your water. So you just walk your ass over to the fridge. This is the only amount of water I need. I don't need that much. You don't need that much. You don't need this much coffee. I'm gonna be honest, I did not finish this entire thing. I think I finished it like the day after, but not in one night. So just dump it in there real slowly, like the same way I'm doing it, but even slower. And then you gotta close everything out. The stupid ass bird is so loud. You gotta close everything up, make sure your thing right, and turn it on. Why didn't I press the button? Oh, turn it on. I was focusing. You gotta turn it on. You know, if it actually turns on, there you go.
Jesse BR.
Alright, so now that it's done, you need to get a cup. Alright, my birds are loud. They're very loud. Okay, you get a cup. There's the cup. You drop it down. Oh, you don't drop it down, never mind. Then you get your creamer. You put the creamer in first. The dries before the the liquids. So you gotta put your dry stuff between everything. The cup, the liquid, everything. So you slowly, very slowly and jitterily, you pour it in. I think that's not enough. I'm going back. I'm going in again. So you pour in more, I guess. Okay, I think that's enough. I'm pretty sure that's enough, right? Yeah, that's enough. We're closing it. So you gotta, I don't know what I'm doing there. So after that, you get your coffee, and then you just pour it in. Hear that sizzling? Yeah, you can't hear it, but I did. This is in post. I can hear every little thing. This is crazy. So your creamer will eventually dissolve into the coffee. Don't worry about it. It just does that. See, it's all gone. Oh, now you get your spoon, so you can mix everything in. I like using little spoons. You can use whatever spoon you like. I don't care. And then you just stir it. I'm stirring it real fast. Look at it. Wow, this is crazy. And that's it. You taste it. You put it in your mouth. Mmm. Slurp. That's really good. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I liked it. Wow. Next time I'll show you guys how to make hard-boiled eggs. Hell yeah.